Before set Philips Hue bridge to discover device, make sure the device does not belong to any network. If the lighting device has already been added to a Zigbee network, click the reset button or repower it for 5 times to remove it from previous network. It will be set into network pairing mode for 15 seconds. Connect your phone's Wi-Fi to the same router as Philips Hue bridge. For the first time, we download the Philips Hue app from the App Store. Setting is instructed on the app. The app will search Philips Hue bridge automatically. Press the button on the Philips Hue bridge. Tap Search, searching for light. Repower the device. Connected light flashes twice slowly. It will be set into network pairing mode for 15 seconds. 15 seconds timeout. Repower it again. One new light found. Enter the living room and add lights to the room. Select dimmable light 1. Let's go. We can control the lighting with the app now. Enter the living room and enjoy yourself. If you want to add another light, just make sure the new device is in the network pairing mode. Enter the light setup in the settings menu, add light. It may take a few minutes. One new light found. Back to home and enter lifting room, we'll find the new light. We can use the app to control both lights now. Before set Philips Hue bridge to discover the remotes must in the network pairing mode. Manually factory reset the remotes if they belong to any network before. Press and hold down all on-off button on the touch panels until indicator turns on. Short press all on-off button 5 times continuously. The indicator on the remotes will flash several times. Now set Philips Hue bridge to discover remotes. Select the accessory setup in the settings menu and add accessory. Choose Hue dimmer switch, option 1, and just continue. Press and hold down all on-off button on the touch panels until indicator turns on. Short press S1 button, set it in the network pairing mode. Philips Hue bridge will searching for the touch panel automatically. It may take a few minutes. When the indicator on the remote flash several times quickly, it means Philips Hue bridge has found the remote, but it will not display on the app. For control the lighting with the remotes, we must also set the remote and driver to touch link commissioning. If the lighting device does not belong to any Zigbee network, repower on it. It will be set into touch link commissioning after 15 seconds, because network pairing mode lasts 15 seconds, 165 seconds timeout. Repower on the device. If the lighting device has already been added to a Zigbee network, repower on it. It will be set into touch link commissioning immediately, 180 seconds timeout. Repower on the device. Keep the remote close to the driver. Press the number key to select a group. Press and hold down all on-off button on the touch panels until indicator turns on. Short press S2 button, set the touch panel to touch link commissioning. The indicator on the remote will flash quickly. It may take a few minutes. The connected light flashes twice to indicate successful touch link. Now, we can control the lighting with the remote.